Hello, viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well. I am also good. And I hope you all have enjoyed the yesterday's trading session as per my analysis. And I will discuss today's video how the market did work yesterday and how it gave us a good decent amount of profits yesterday. So, all right, in this video, I'm going to analyze gold, that is XAU USD, and I will explain you how to find potential trade setups for today as well as tomorrow. Okay, well, let's take a look at the fundamentals before start technical analysis. Okay, let me show you the economic calendar first. Okay, firstly, we will discuss about CPI. Thereafter, we will discuss about today's news. Okay, look some fundamental things. We know yesterday we had the big news inflation data, and there is core CPI and CPI month over month and CPI over year was released yesterday. As you can see, the core CPI data has came as per forecasted and CPI month over month data has came as per forecasted, but the CPI year over year came less than the forecasted data. But you saw a selling in gold. Why? As per this data, gold need to be show some bullishness, but gold show us a selling yesterday. Let me explain. Look carefully. Because the core CPI and CPI, these both are very important news. And CPI year over year is a kind of lagging indicator because we know the inflation of the USA is gradually cooling down, and it is expected that the data will came less than the previous data. And as per expectation, it has came less than the previous data. But core CPI and CPI data has came core CPI has came 0.2 and expectation was 0.2, but the previous data was 0.1. That means the core CPI has little increment in the current data. Similarly, the CPI month over month was came minus 0.1 in previous month, but this time it has shown a little increment in current data, that is 0.2%. That means if you see carefully, you can see the core CPI and CPI actually increase as comparison with previous data. And that is the reason why we saw a selling in gold. Okay. I hope you understand. So now, as you can see, today at 6 p.m. IST, there is a high impact news, that is core retail sales, and unemployment claims. These both newses are scheduled at same time. And what is the retail sales and what is the impact of retail sales? As you know, retail sales means the retail vendors are selling price to the consumer. The changes of price during the month to the consumer in retail perspective. Okay. It is the actually the retail sale is the primary gauge of consumer spending, which account for the majority to overall economic activity. Because the release of the retail sales report may have an impact on dollar. How? So a slowdown in the growth of retail sale shows that consumer have reduced their spending levels. If consumer reduce their spending levels, we know the money flow in the market will decrease. If the money flow in the market will decrease, the economic activity will slowing down. This may lead a decline in economic activity and have a negative effect on dollar index. Okay, and you can see the core retail sale has forecasted 0.1 and the previous data was 0.4, and retail sale was forecasted 0.4 and the previous is 0.0. So there is a kind of chance it may shows as a mix kind of data today. So let's see what will happen, what data will come. If it shows, especially if shows core retail sales and retail sales positive, we may see another selling in gold again. I will try to come live stream on today's news session if possible. I'll try to manage and will come on live stream today. Okay, and I will teach you how to trade on during the news and after release of news. Okay, so that's all in fundamental. Let's look the technical side. Okay, in technically, today I'll start from the 4 hour frame, and it is the 4 hour frame in front of us. Firstly, let me discuss about this whole structure, what it says us. This is a structure, what it says us. Firstly, you look, it continue hitting this resistance and reject from the resistance, and this is the day level resistance. And there is obviously a good supply also. That's why it rejecting 3 times from this resistance. But see one more thing, it is create lower high, then sorry, higher low, it is a higher low, and after that another higher low, after that another higher low, and another higher low, and another higher low. That means it create continue a squeezing on the top. It is a create a wedge pattern. Okay, and always in the forex market this kind of pattern shows it may break this resistance very soonly. It is a clear indication of a breaking of this resistance. Okay. So if I shift into 30-minute frame, you can see, sorry, 4 hour frame, you can see a kind of flag pattern. Look, a kind of flag pattern has already created at this zone before breaking this resistance. We know whenever market create a flag pattern, breaking any support or resistance, suppose it is a resistance, a market approach like this, and before breaking it create a flag pattern and then break. Whenever market create this kind of flag pattern, it is an indication of early break of this resistance, and after that market will come and retest this flag and go up again. Okay, this is a flag pattern theory. Let me delete all the drawings first. Okay, so this time this is a clear indication of bullishness, and we may see very soon this resistance will break. Now our first target will be 2500 is a logical resistance, and after that we will plot a Fibo expansion tool for next target. Let me plot the Fibo expansion for you for finding the next target. Look, Where is Fibo? Yes. I Our second target will be here as per Fibo expansion 2530. Okay. And our first target will be 2500. This is our two targets if market able to break this resistance. Okay. So for intraday, let's shift into the 1 hour frame to find the today's trade setups. Let me shift to 1 hour frame. Okay, this is our 1 hour frame. As per 1 hour frame, as I told you guys on my previous video, the price has approached this day resistance. I told you there is a chance of selling. I had initiated a sell from here once after taking 100 pips, and price approach this level once again. And I told you my previous video, if price able to approach this level once again, you may initiate a sell. And look how nicely it's sell. So how I took this sell, let me explain you. Whenever market approaching this level, and that time the data, CPI data will come, and I did not initiate any position, because as I told you, I never ever initiate any position right before the release of news. After release of news, I will initiate. And that time, whenever market approach this level, I have shifted to 5 minute frame. In 5 minute frame, you can see this is the candle when data has released. This is the candle when data has released. Okay. Very simple. I had marked a line below this candle and above this candle after release of news. And I waited either market break this support or either market break this resistance. Market very nicely with creating momentum candles. Look, break this support. After break this support, market has retraced, and I had initiated a sale from here. And after that, my first target was my support level as per discussion on my previous video. Okay. My support was there as I marked the level, and I have booked my profit and out from this sale trade, because this is my buying support. Okay. Let's shift to the 1 hour frame again. Okay. As per market structure, as I already discussed, market structure of 1 hour frame is clearly bullish, because it create higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher high. And our first point of interest to join this bullish trend was there, and second was there. Market come because there is a demand zone, and I told you guys on my previous video, whenever market approaching this level, and market may mitigate this order block and spike below to this point of interest and go up. Exactly, market did the same, and I have initiate a buy also. Sorry, I have initiated a buy also from this zone after getting confirmation at the 2444 level, and I have booked my profit 100 pips from this trade. Look, okay. Today I have closed the trade, and I have initiate this buy entry and book my profit at 100 pips level. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, so for today, What is the trade opportunities? Let me show you. Okay. So this area is still unmitigated. Mind this thing. This is a 4 hour area also and still unmitigated. So market may come to this zone once again. If we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a buy from here after getting some evidence. Okay. And now the possibility of the test price will be 2430 2425 to 2433 level. Note this price 2425 to 33 level. Today we may see a bullishness from this zone after release of news. Okay, so this price will may work in New York session. Note this price. If we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a buy from this zone after getting some evidence. Okay, so for scalping purpose, look, this is a good selling trade because it break. This was the support. Now it is become a resistance. Okay, this was the good support and now it is become a resistance, and market may detach this resistance and come down like this. If I plot the Fibo for the last swing, you can see the 50% retracement level is also this zone, and 50% level price is 2460, and the zone is 2456 to 2460. If we get the price at 2456 to 60 on London session, we may initiate a sell from here. Okay, that is a possibility. We may get the price very soon at this zone, and I am also waiting for this zone. I also put an alarm at this zone. If I get the price at this zone, I will initiate a sell from here for little profit like 100 to 100 pips, 150 pips, and I will close this trade before release of news. And our second selling position is there. This is OT level, and there is a unmitigated order block. So let me mark the order block. This is a good order block, and still it is unmitigated, and there is a 78.6% retracement, that is OTE level. If price manage to go up to this level, we may initiate a sell once again from here, and my opinion, it will be possible after release of news on New York session. Okay guys, so for London session, we may initiate a sell from this zone. Sorry, we may initiate a sell from this zone. In New York session, we may initiate a sell from this zone after getting evidence, and same on New York session, we may initiate a buy from here also. So this trade setups for today as well as tomorrow. I hope you all are understand. So all right, that wraps up today's analysis, my dear viewers. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and strategies. That's really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you on the next video on tomorrow. Until then, trade smartly. And one thing I want to tell you, if I manage, I make a live stream on today's New York session before release of news. Stay tuned to our channel for that. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye.